How do natural killer cells use missing self to find cancer? Imagine your immune system as a vigilant security team watching over your body. Natural killer cells are like the special forces that hunt down and eliminate dangerous intruders, especially cancer cells. These cells are a key part of your body's defenses and work by a clever method called missing self recognition. Most healthy cells display a set of markers called major histocompatibility complex class I molecules on their surface. These markers act like ID badges, telling natural killer cells that the cell is normal and should not be attacked. When a natural killer cell encounters a cell with these markers, it receives an inhibitory signal that prevents it from attacking. Think of it as a security guard recognizing a friendly face and choosing not to intervene. But cancer cells often try to hide from the immune system. They do this by reducing or losing these MHC class I molecules on their surface. This is where the missing self idea comes into play. When the natural killer cell detects that the MHCI markers are missing or reduced, it interprets this as a sign of trouble. Without the inhibitory signals, the natural killer cell becomes activated. It then uses its activating receptors to recognize stress signals or abnormal features on the cancer cell. Once activated, the natural killer cell releases toxic substances that kill the cancer cell. This process is like the security guard noticing that a person is acting suspiciously because their ID badge is missing. Because cancer cells often lose these MHCI markers to evade other immune responses, natural killer cells are especially important. They can catch and eliminate these sneaky cells that slip past other immune defenses. However, some tumors develop ways to suppress natural killer cell activity or create an environment that makes these cells less responsive. Despite this, the missing self recognition remains a vital part of how our immune system keeps cancer in check. It helps detect and destroy cells that have lost their normal markers, preventing tumors from growing unchecked. So, in simple terms, natural killer cells are like vigilant guards that spot cells missing their ID badges and take action to keep your body safe.